Want to browse Facebook and Messenger privately without showing when you're online? In this video, I'll show you how to turn off active status on both Facebook and Messenger in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Turn off active status on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon. This could be the 3 lines or your profile picture in the top or bottom corner, depending on your app version. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll until you find the Audience and Visibility section. Tap Active Status. Now turn off the toggle next to Show when you're active. A confirmation message may appear. Tap Turn Off to confirm. Once disabled, your friends and contacts will no longer see when you're online or recently active on Facebook. Step 2. Turn off active status on Messenger. Next, open the Messenger app. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select active status. Turn off the toggle next to show when you're active. On some Messenger versions, you may also see an option to pause active status for a specific amount of time if you don't want to disable it permanently. That's it. Your online status is now hidden on both Facebook and Messenger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.